Here's my soft journal book, and this kit is available in my Etsy shop, marketsofsunshine.store. Beautiful chenille that I put here. This is wonderful fabrics that I used, and I'm just sitting here relaxing on my couch and doing a little bit of slow stitching, and I wanted to share this with you. So now let me show you and go walk through each stitch. Here's my slow stitch page, the first one in my soft journal book. This is my variation of the feather stitch. Beautiful vintage lace, my beautiful little vine and leaf stitch, another vintage lace, the buttonhole stitch, and the little lazy daisy stitch. And this is a new technique for me, and I learned it from Roxy's Instagram page, and I think this is called a Boro, B-O-R-O stitch. So what I did a Google search, and it's just a repetitiveness of any shape you want with these small little stitches spaced out in any fashion that you want. So I thought it turned out really cute. What do you think? So I would invite you to come over to my Sunshine Homemakers YouTube channel and follow along with me as I teach you organic lifestyle, homemaking with gluten-free organic recipes, and gardening, and how to have a backyard wildlife habitat. So I think you'll enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you there. See you soon. Keep safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.